क्लीन एंड क्लियर बैंगलोर टाइम्स फ्रेश फेस 2013 का ऑडिशन राउंड रहा काफी सक्सेसफुल। ये कॉन्टेस्ट रखा गया बैंगलोर के फेमस मंत्री स्क्वायर मॉल में, wherein too many contestants showcased their talent. ऑडिशन राउंड में से 6 विनर्स को किया गया सिलेक्ट, who will get a chance to participate in the semi-final round, and those who win the finale round will get a chance to feature in the clean and clear ad campaigns, जिसका अनाउंसमेंट यहाँ शो के होस्ट ने भी किया।
The winners and the runners-up from this monthly square get into the semi-finals. The shortlisted ones from the semi-finals get into the finals, and the finalists also get into the nationals. 2 girls from across the country get a chance to be the face or the poster girls of Clean and Clear Face Wash for the year 2013.
We also spoke to the winners of the show, who seemed quite excited.
Not expected that I'd win, so I feel very happy because this is my first ever time since I'm performing in front of so many people. And I'd like to thank all the judges, for getting me here, and I really enjoyed Clean and Clear Fresh Face 2013.
Clean and Clear Fresh Face 2013 Bangalore. I have been preparing from last year, and I'm happy I'm a winner. And I'm here in Monthly Mall, and people were too supportive. Very nice crowd, just too good.
Not just this, one of the judges too shared her experience with us.
The first time I've come into a mall and judged something. We usually do it at colleges. I've never been a part of the, a mall. It's my first mall experience, let me put it that way. It was super fun. People here are so talented. I spent 4 hours here and I didn't even realize how time flew by. Great fun, and I'm so glad I could be a part of it. It's a lovely experience.
Clean and Clear believes that confidence begins with being comfortable in one's own skin. And that's the reason why Clean and Clear had come up with a unique concept of the confidence meter, which is a scale to measure the confidence score. और Bangalore के इस audition round में भी judges ने contestants के confidence को किया judge. Bureau Report, Zoom, Bangalore.